Okay, so we have an issue with this door. It does not lock or unlock, and so I'm gonna show you how to remove um, the door actuator, the door lock actuator. So there's like 3 bolts that's holding right here. You will need to use something like this. So you will need to disconnect this one. That's the top one here, and I believe it's going either here or here, I'm not sure. So this one goes right here for the handle, door handle. Disconnect this. And then just pull it out. There we go. And now, okay, I'll put this over here. Now I just need to disconnect the wire. Press on here and pull it. Okay, so I'm gonna order a new one, the same one, and install it and see if this solves my issue. Okay, so I got a new lock right here, and this is the old one. This is the new one. Same plug, same everything. Hopefully the bolts fit and everything. Checking the bolts. Yep. Okay, so let's go ahead and install it. Plug this in. Okay guys, so this, I had an issue installing it, so it's not yet connected. So the yellow one, they go by the color. The yellow one goes for this lock unlock. The green one you see over there is the one for the exterior handle. Okay, the exterior handle right on top, and this one for the interior handle, door handle, is the red one. I don't know if you can see, but it's the red one. Trying to get it. focus my camera. Can hear it. And I was trying to put it like right here because I did not record before while removing it, which actually helps. When you record something, you know what you're doing. And I was trying to fit this through here and it would not fit. It was like, what's going on? And it's actually going right here on the top. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put the bolts in, and should be working. I'm not making it too tight so I don't break anything, so I don't break the thread, even though it's metal on the bottom. I'm still being careful. Just hand tight, don't over torque. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and test it before I install the panel. I'm gonna go ahead. You can use like a screwdriver or something to put something inside the lock like this, which means that it's locked. Now I can go ahead and pull this. Boom, it opens. Okay, now let's do it again. But this time I'm gonna unlock from the outside. There we go. Works. Now I'm gonna close it and then lock it and try to open it. Okay, does not open, which is correct. And if you pull it from this side, it opens, and this actually goes up. So everything works. Let's go ahead and put the panel back on the door. Okay guys, so as you can see, everything's working. Unlocked. Locked. Don't forget to put everything back. Connect the wires here. Connect the handle. And put all the bolts in. And that's it. Look guys. See? Everything is working. So this video was helpful. Like the video and also subscribe to my channel.